Dr. Bruce Goldberg is going to give us some instruction on riding the stationary bikes longer. And you know, Bruce, this is interesting to me because I worked on my master's degree with creating audio tapes that help people exercise longer when doing aerobic activity because it's so boring. And this short transit induction you're going to show us does the same thing, right?
Yes, and you're going to be an excellent subject, and so is she. So if you both just close your eyes.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Just close your eyes and just imagine a warm and relaxing feeling spreading out from the tip of your toes, slowly moving up your body as if you were immersed in a spa. The warm, relaxing feeling moves into the hips, into the thigh muscles, into the backbone, spreading all the way up the back muscles. Now, moving into the top of the head, relaxing each and every muscle now. And as I count backwards from 5 to 1, this feeling is going to be so relaxing, you're going to be in a nice, natural, deep hypnotic level. 5, totally relaxed. 4, 3, focusing in on the exercise bike, but yet at the same time in a completely relaxed state. Number 2, number 1. As you do this now, time seems to be in the eternal now. You just seem to be more and more energetic about this. Your mindset is positive. You're in a complete, tranquil, relaxed state. Not only are you exercising even more fully, but you're also completely relaxed, and your body is responding. You're stimulating the production of your own natural hormones, DHEA, to slow down the aging process, to allow you to build up your immune system, to give you that feeling of complete peace, tranquility, of confidence. You can do anything now, and you can do it better than you've ever been able to do it before. The momentum is there, the relaxation is there. Each and every repetition of any exercise that you do is going to magnify and keep this level of complete positivity, of complete maximum potential, maximum performance, psychic empowerment at each and every level. Feel that feeling, experience that, make this a part of your reality. See it, feel it, and it becomes your reality. Now let your mind get immersed in this eternal now of positivity. Imagine a bright white light surrounding the entire awareness of who you are, the bike in which you're on, the room, the city, the entire state, the country, the planet. You're now totally protected, relaxed, empowered. You can now do anything your mind sets your goals to attend. Let your mind be with this now. Make this your reality. Let your mind just focus as you continue to maximize your performance and potential, building up that feeling both psychologically of your level of confidence, both physically of your muscles and your ability, your endurance, your strength, your energy, and your soul's energy of awareness, of growth, your own spiritual growth, your own ability to be with your own higher self as you continue with this, letting this become your reality now, expanding this, just letting your mind completely in the now as you do so, letting this become your positive reality. Maximize this with each and every moment now as you do so. Both of you now, just relaxed now, keeping this becoming your reality now. In a few moments, when I bring you out of this trance, see this applies to you. You're going to be giving the viewers a specific healthy tip about a healthful item or product for them. So let your mind just relax on that. Let your mind make this a positive part of your reality. In just a few moments, when I count up from 1 to 5, you'll be able to follow this post-hypnotic instruction, feeling relaxed, letting your mind stay within the now, feeling good now, totally in control now, totally in control. Okay, now just stay with it now. 1, number 2, rising up now. Number 3, just a moment, your eyes will open. Number 4, and number 5.